Hey guys, John here from Short Vlog Stories. We're gonna do the unboxing of the iPad Pro 11-inch 256GB. It's right here. And the iPad Magic Keyboard. First and second generation. Well, compatible, I mean. Let's do the iPad first. I did the video of having this iPad. It's been 2 or 3 days now. You guys like this? And then this one too. What do you guys think of the lighting here? Leave a comment down below. And if you guys like me doing this unboxing stuff, there's previous videos of me doing it. Some of them are unprofessional, and some of them are professionally done. I'm not really a unboxing channel, so as you can tell. But I opened it. This is the iPad Pro. Let's see how easy it is to open it. I'm not really gonna fully open the extra wrapping thing here because I don't have a screen protector yet. It's gonna come tomorrow. Oh my god! This is an older device, well, from 2018. So you guys already know how it looks like. It has the 2 cameras. Right there. Oh my god, it's so skinny and light. I'll be right back. I'm gonna show you guys what's the other iPad that I have. I have this one. I have the 7th generation 10.2 iPad. This one will be, I'll be giving this to my mom. But oh my god, I'm gonna put it on the side, but as you can see, this is the space gray one. Before I show you, well, you guys already know what's inside the box already, but before I do that, don't forget to like and subscribe to Short Vlog Stories. Check out all my vlog videos and my other content, which is music and me, basically where I do music covers, and also like I said, my other unboxing videos. But so the manual, as you know, designed by Apple in California. So remember what I said about the new iPad, which is the iPad Air, and second Air, never mind, I lost my train of thought there, but forget it, never mind. The charger, or the power bank, well, I forgot what it's called, but this is it. The Type C, the cable Type C, awesome. And that's about it. I think the thing I was trying to say is, because you know the whole iPhone 12 lineup, they don't have the charger anymore. That's the thing I was trying to say. But I guess let's boot it up. This is my first time actually booting up the the iPad Pro. It's right there, Apple logo. So this is me getting the iPad Pro in 2020, or late 2020. Oh my god, hello. I'm gonna leave that here. That's cool. Okay, let's open the Magic Keyboard. So the purpose of this, of me getting the new iPad, or the iPad Pro is basically to have my very first laptop. Well, I'm treating it like a laptop. That's why I got the Magic Keyboard. Oh my god, this is cool. Okay, this one I can take out the light. Satisfying. Did I say like and subscribe? I think I did. But sorry, I'm saying it twice now because I'm just so excited. You can't tell right now, but I'm very excited. Oh my god, this is so cool. Well, this is all the others. This is nothing. But this is the manual also. And it has all the sticker and everything. You already know this stuff. And there it is. The Magic Keyboard. 11-inch for the 11-inch one, which is this. And it's also compatible for the iPad Air. Like a little story. I think I said on my short video, I wanted to get the iPad Air, but like I said, you know, if I want to have like somewhat of a laptop type of thing, might as well get the newer one or a better one. You have the 120 hertz and all. Ooh, I just noticed it. Setup, quick start. I already know all this. Well, I'm gonna set it up. Watch me set it up. Oh my god, this is so cool. This is nice. Like I said, I'm not gonna take out the thing because I don't have the screen protector yet. I think I said that already. Oh man, this is so cool. Here, let's do a comparison. From the back, I have the case. It's bigger because it's all screen. Like, you know, it has the Face ID on the top right there. There's no home, there's no power button or the Touch ID. Like this regular iPad. The iPad 7th generation has the Touch ID. This one doesn't. Like I said, you guys already know that. But you know what? I'm not gonna do the face thingy yet. I'm gonna look funny doing the camera. Let's just do the passcode. So I know it's late for me to have the iPad Pro in this in 2020, and everybody's like been doing the iPad Air because that's the new model, but you know, app data, iCloud, transfer directly from iPad. Don't transfer this stuff. Okay, while I'm doing all this setup, but what was I saying? Oh yeah. Like I was saying, everybody's doing like the iPad Air unboxing or whatever. Well, I didn't really get I didn't get this one when it first came out, so that's why I'm doing it. Now I'm part of it. I'm part of the unboxing iPad Pro 11-inch. I'm part of it now, so you guys can see it in the other recommendation. Oh, video's been interrupted. I'm sorry. Too sorry. I am backing up this thing. So it's not just a it's not just an unboxing, it's you're gonna watch me set it up too. Oh my god, it is cool. But I guess that's it. You know, that's basically it. I don't wanna put it in the keyboard right now because, well, can I actually put it in the keyboard already? Let's see. Just like all the YouTubers, they always test it out. Yes. What are you doing? What are you doing? Is it part of it? Yep. There it is. My laptop. The iPad Pro 11-inch in the Magic Keyboard. Okay, that's it. But there, I guess that's it. Like I said, I'm not really a tech guy. Well, in terms of unboxing, a viewer. I'm not a reviewer in terms of technology. Okay, I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. Oops, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's the unboxing of the iPad Pro 11-inch with the Magic Keyboard.